Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Now, the title of this video, I know you guys can read, but let me just tell you. It's Get What You Want, Best Crucial Ways to Get What You Want. And yes, we're still talking about the Super Affiliate Network, but we're finishing Boot Camp 8 and starting with Boot Camp 9. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Now, you get the webinar registration, and what you need to do is just enter your email. Then you have that thank you page, the live room. You have email follow-up 1, you have email follow-up 2, you have email follow-up 3, and then you have the replay room and the order form. Next, you have your super affiliate consult funnel, and that is 100% done for you and is valued at $4,997. Then you have the free consult giveaway. You have the application, the phone call, and the money. The ability to earn big $1,000, $2,000, $3,500, and $5,500 commissions when you resell our premium value offers. And that's valued at $9,997 per year. You get the additional one-on-one coaching valued at $2,997. Then you get the fast action bonuses. And this is your super affiliate webinar presentation. That's 100% done for you webinar valued at $9,997. There's another fast action bonus, and it's done for you automated webinar campaign. Again, you get the webinar registration. You just need to enter your email. You get the thank you, the automated webinar, the email follow-up 1, the email follow-up 2, the email follow-up 3, and the replay room and the order form. And that's valued at $9,997. And again, this is not what you have to pay for the course. This is what all this information is valued at that you will get once you sign up. And then keep, upgrading. Let's continue. Then there's another fast action bonus. It's done for you banner graphics for your webinar, automated webinar, and your custom branded SAN system valued at $1,997. Another fast action bonus, exclusive invitation to one fun trip, and that's valued at $4,997. And now this is how it works. He says, my tech team builds out your entire suite of sales funnels 100% done for you. You never have to lift a finger. I give you the exact sales copy templates to use in all of your funnels, and then we write them out together in person at your intensive retreat. He says, I hold your hand every step of the way. I write all of your ads 100% done for you. I give you a done for you email follow-up campaign, and then we optimize it to be personal to you at your live intensive retreat. Our phone sales team calls back all of your leads and closes them into big commissions all the way up to $5,500 commissions and $12,000 per customer. And that's 100% done for you. We create all of your graphics for your sales funnels and authority websites. We set up your authority websites and build it out with all of your offers and banners placed for strategic cash flow. We run all of your traffic campaigns 100% done for you with the super affiliate agency if you want. We give you ongoing help and mentorship for 6 full months. We give you the exact strategy and personal hands-on help implementing it. You need to maximize the power of each of the sales funnels we give you. Now, my friends, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to click or copy this beautiful link. If you copy it, don't forget to open it up in a new web browser and learn all about the Super Affiliate Network and how you can get started for just $1. And then, you have to upgrade. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Now, I slowed down this video because I talk fast a lot and then I run over my words and then you can't understand me. So I hope this didn't offend anyone. But I figured I need to just slow down and, just speak this video so you guys can understand me. Okay? Thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys again on the next video. Bye.